Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Lynn, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I extended my crochet faux locks. Now I've seen many different methods. But what I did was get another lock, crocheted it into the end of my hair, and that was it. But what I did was crochet it into my hair already, and one thing I did was twist open the lock by doing that, by twisting in the opposite direction and wrapping it around the remainder of the hair that was left over at the end. And another thing that I did was rub them together in my hand so it can kind of blend together. Like, rubbing it actually, you know, makes it, how can I put this, like nap together, if that makes any sense. But rubbing it actually makes it collide together so that if I'm like flipping my hair or if I'm putting in a ponytail, the lock doesn't fall out. Now, I did see another method where the person opened up the lock and then tied it to the bottom of the hair. Maybe I could show you better than I can try you, but that method did not work because it just looked so, since it's thin at the ends, it did not look right doing that at the ends with the opening and then trying to wrap it again. So my easy method was just doing the crochet. So this is how it came out. I did not have to use that many locks to extend it because, you know, since it's supposed to be wavy at the bottom, only a couple of them looked nice as well. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.